Hey everyone, welcome back to Echo Your English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ryan. Emily, I gotta ask you something.
Wait, stop right there. What did you just say?
I said I gotta ask you something. Why?
You said gotta, not got to or have to. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Perfect timing. Today we're diving into 3 words that every native speaker uses constantly. Gonna, wanna, and gotta.
These are probably the most important contractions you need to understand if you want to sound fluent and natural.
And here's the thing, you'll hear them everywhere. In movies, in songs, in everyday conversation. But textbooks rarely teach them.
So if you're confused about what they mean or when to use them, this episode will change everything.
Let's start with the most common one, gonna. Emily, what is gonna?
Gonna is the casual, spoken form of going to. It's used for future plans and predictions.
Native speakers almost never say going to in casual conversation. We say gonna.
I'm going to the store becomes I'm gonna go to the store, or even I'm gonna go.
We're going to watch a movie becomes we're gonna watch a movie.
Now here's something crucial. Gonna only works when going to expresses future time, not literal movement.
Right. I'm going to the gym means you're physically traveling there. You can't say I'm gonna the gym.
But I'm going to exercise expresses future intention. That becomes I'm gonna exercise.
So gonna replaces going to plus verb, not going to plus place.
Let's practice the pronunciation. It's not going to, and it's not even gonna with 2 clear syllables.
In fast natural speech, it sounds like gonna or even gonna. The vowels blend together.
I'm going to go sounds like I'm gonna go. Very smooth, very quick.
Try saying it fast. What are you gonna do? Sounds like what you're gonna do.
Now let's move to wanna. What's wanna, Ryan?
Wanna is the casual form of want to. It expresses desire or intention.
I want to go home becomes I wanna go home.
Do you want to get coffee becomes do you want to get coffee or want to get coffee?
Again, wanna only works with want to plus verb, not with want plus noun.
You can't say I want a coffee. That's wrong. You have to say I want coffee or I want a coffee.
But I wanna drink coffee works perfectly because drink is a verb.
Pronunciation tip. It's not want a, it's wanna with the vowels blending smoothly.
I wanna go sounds like one smooth sound, almost like I wanna go, all connected.
And in very casual speech, especially in questions, want to can sound like wanna or even wanna.
You wanna come is extremely common, much more natural than do you want to come.
Now, let's talk about gotta. This one is interesting because it has 2 different meanings.
Right. Gotta can mean got to, have to, must, or it can mean got-a, have a.
First meaning, got to, for obligation or necessity. I've got to leave becomes I gotta leave.
You've got to see this becomes you gotta see this.
This gotta means the same as have to or must. It expresses necessity.
Second meaning, got-a for possession. I've got a question becomes I got a question.
He's got a new car becomes he's got a new car.
Wait, but that can cause confusion. I gotta go means I have to go, but I got a car means I have a car.
Exactly. Context is everything. Usually, you can tell from the sentence which meaning is intended.
If gotta is followed by a verb, it means have to. If it's followed by a noun, it means have a.
I gotta leave, have to leave, versus I got a problem, have a problem.
Pronunciation. Gotta sounds like gotta or gotta with a soft T sound that almost sounds like duh.
In very fast speech, it can sound like gotta or gotta, very quick and smooth.
Now, here's something really important. These are all spoken casual English. They're not for formal writing.
In essays, emails to your boss, professional reports, you write going to, want to, and have to.
Never write gonna, wanna, or gotta in formal contexts. They're strictly for casual speech and very informal writing.
Text messages to friends? Sure, use them. Academic paper? Absolutely not.
But in spoken English, even in semi-formal situations, they're completely normal and natural.
Now, let's practice some conversations using all three. I'll start a dialogue, you respond naturally.
Ready?
Hey, what are you doing tonight?
I'm gonna stay home and relax. Wanna come over?
I wanna, but I gotta work late tonight.
That sucks. When are you gonna be free?
Probably this weekend. I gotta finish this project first.
Okay, let me know when you're free. We gotta hang out soon.
Perfect. That entire conversation used gonna, wanna, and gotta naturally. That's how native speakers actually talk.
Notice how it flowed? We didn't think about it. These words just came out naturally.
That's the goal for learners. Practice until they feel automatic.
Let's talk about some common mistakes learners make with these words.
First mistake, using them with the wrong word type. I gonna go is wrong. It's I'm gonna go.
Gonna, wanna, and gotta need a subject. You can't drop the I'm or I.
Well, actually, in very casual speech, native speakers sometimes do drop it. Gonna be late or gotta go.
True, but that's super informal, like texting. For learners, it's safer to include the subject.
Second mistake, using wanna with a noun. I want a pizza is wrong. Say, I want pizza or I wanna eat pizza.
Third mistake, writing them in formal contexts. Save these for speech and very casual writing only.
Fourth mistake, pronouncing them too clearly, like going to, want to, got to. That sounds unnatural.
Blend them together. Make them smooth and quick.
Let's discuss some variations and related contractions.
Gonna sometimes sounds like gonna in very fast speech.
And going to can even reduce further in certain phrases. I'm going to can sound like I'm in super casual fast speech.
Wanna is pretty consistent, but in questions, do you wanna can sound like do you wanna or even Joanna.
And gotta is also consistent, but have got to can reduce to have to in some dialects. I have to go can sound like I have to go in very casual speech. Now let's talk about when not to use these contractions.
In formal speeches, presentations, or any professional context, use the full forms.
If you're giving a work presentation, say I'm going to explain, not I'm gonna explain.
If you're in a job interview, say I want to work here, not I wanna work here.
But with friends, family, casual settings, use gonna, wanna, and gotta freely.
They make you sound friendly, natural, and fluent.
Let's do a challenge. I'll give you formal sentences and you convert them to casual with contractions.
Okay.
I am going to visit my parents this weekend.
I'm gonna visit my parents this weekend.
Do you want to watch a movie?
You wanna watch a movie or wanna watch a movie?
I have to finish my homework before dinner.
I gotta finish my homework before dinner.
We are going to be late if we don't leave now.
We're gonna be late if we don't leave now.
I want to learn how to play guitar.
I wanna learn how to play guitar.
Perfect. See how much more natural and conversational those sound?
Absolutely. The casual versions sound like real people talking, not textbooks.
Now let's talk about understanding these in movies and songs.
Songs especially love these contractions because they fit the rhythm and rhyme better. I Wanna Dance with Somebody by Whitney Houston, Gonna and Wanna are everywhere in song lyrics.
In movies, you'll hear them constantly in dialogue. If you don't understand them, you'll miss a lot.
Practice by watching English shows with subtitles. Notice when the character says gonna, but the subtitle says going to.
That's a great way to train your ear to recognize these sounds.
Let's give listeners a real-life story using these contractions naturally. I'll tell you about my weekend plans.
Go ahead.
So this weekend, I'm gonna visit my friend in the city. We're gonna check out this new restaurant everyone's been talking about. I really wanna try their pizza. I've heard it's amazing. After that, we're probably gonna see a movie if we have time. But I gotta be home by 10 because I gotta work Sunday morning. My friend wants me to stay longer, but I just can't. Maybe next time I'm gonna stay the whole weekend. We gotta figure out a better plan.
That was perfect. You used gonna, wanna, and gotta multiple times, and it all sounded completely natural.
That's how native speakers tell stories in casual conversation. It's full of these contractions.
Listeners, here's your challenge this week. Practice saying these 3 contractions out loud.
Stand in front of a mirror and say, I'm gonna go. I wanna eat. I gotta leave.
Say them fast, blend the sounds together, make them smooth.
And when you're watching English content, count how many times you hear gonna, wanna, and gotta.
You'll be surprised at how often they appear.
Remember, these aren't wrong or lazy English. They're natural, spoken English that every native speaker uses.
They're essential for fluency. If you never use them, you'll sound formal and unnatural.
So embrace them, practice them, make them part of your everyday English.
Thanks for listening to Echo Your English. If you're gonna subscribe, see what I did there? Please do it now.
Let us know in the comments, do you use these contractions or do they confuse you?
We want to hear from you. See you next time.